My name is Nelson Chacon Guzman. I'm originally from Bogota, Colombia. I'm a fellow marketer at HubSpot, and I've been at HubSpot for around 5.5 years.
My name is Oscar Estrada, and I'm an AI video specialist at HubSpot. And my role is to research and test different AI tools and provide recommendations to our teams to ensure that we are leading the adoption of AI video. HubSpot is an AI-powered customer platform. We help marketing, service, and sales teams grow better by unifying all of their data into our AI-powered smart CRM. In my past role, I was creating lots of different content for HubSpot, from customer education, to ads, to product videos, to YouTube videos. So I have a familiarity of what the best practices for each type of video are. And in my current role, because I'm evaluating so many different AI tools, I'm able to test them and provide recommendations that are tailored to each specific role to understand, okay, maybe this tool would be suitable for this use case, maybe not so much for this use case. And in that way, help my team learn and stay up to date with the new technologies. HeyGen helps us with our key initiatives at HubSpot because one of the main initiatives that we have is to become a leader in the AI space. And by using HeyGen, we're able to have this new leading AI video technology at our fingertips that we can experiment with, that we can test, that we can actually use to create customer-facing videos, and in that way learn from our own experiments, so then we can share that knowledge with our customers. The biggest challenge that we faced before using HeyGen was people's time. Before using HeyGen, if we had to change what a person had said in a video, that probably took days, because we would have to work with schedules, not only from the talent, but also from the crew who was filming the video. So therefore, a small change in post-production translated into probably multiple days of delay for a project, and costs if the project involved a whole production setup. With HeyGen, we're able to edit videos after they have been created in the matter of minutes, which is game-changing because we are able to unlock a capability that we didn't have before as a team. Especially when we are launching a new product, sometimes things like names or specific features can change at the last minute, and we're not always able to accommodate for reshoots. So having the ability to fix those little mistakes, but which will have a big impact at the end, it's been really great for our team.
So when you work with translated content in different languages, you have some timelines that can be pretty long, especially when you're working with different languages. So HubSpot does have a team that specializes in this, but because of the level of things and the pipelines that they have, sometimes you can have a week or 2 weeks of wait to get some of these video transcripts translated. I was pretty amazed of how realistic and how close to a final product it was when you used it for the first time.
What I love about HeyGen, it's how simple it is to use. At every stage of the process, there is like a video or very clear instructions on how to use a given feature. The user interface really reduces friction and makes it possible for anybody, even those who don't have a background in video creation, to be able to create videos with their own avatars. HeyGen has so many different products that they're always keeping up to date, and they're always releasing new features that it makes it really exciting to just continue to experiment and pushing the limits of what you can create. I think the most surprising interactions of our customers watching HeyGen videos is actually when there's no interactions, because then it feels like HeyGen could blend seamlessly, or it would feel natural for our customers to watch.
So, HubSpot has an incredible blog, and one of the things that we always wanted to do is, or thought about doing, was, can we create videos to pair with each blog article that we had? So we experimented with having the URL, dropping the URL there, and just in a matter of minutes it will create a script, and then right there you can have one of the avatars that you already created, and just have the first layer that that is ready to be sent out to the editor. So that was definitely one of the key features that we wanted to experiment. Being able to cooperate and being able to provide a helping hand and reduce the time that we have to produce content, it has been very impactful for us. I felt very accomplished of creating the first video and very at awe. I think seeing the first iteration of having a video that you normally consumed in English, knowing the person that was on the other side of the camera didn't know English or doesn't speak English, and see it in the natural language was very, very powerful.
I think the most important metrics that quantify the impact that we've seen with HeyGen at HubSpot are time saved and cost savings as well. Time saved because if we need to make modifications to a video that has been shot, we don't have to go through the process of rescheduling a new shoot. We can just easily do it within minutes. So it has reduced what it would have been days of delays in the timeline or additional costs if we were bringing extra equipment or to try to recreate the environment of the original video, to just minutes of one person and the laptop, which has been like really, really cool to see, because now we're able to shoot videos with the confidence that if there is any modification that needs to be made after the fact, we can confidently apply them using HeyGen without having to worry about any potential delays. It feels very exciting to be able to create professional content without external help, because that empowers anybody to be able to create their own videos. So having the ability to give almost like a self-serving tool to other people within the company so that they're able to create professional looking videos that are on brand or that meet our quality standards, it's huge. It lowers the barriers to create videos so much, and it empowers anybody who wants to tell a great story to be able to tell a great story, which in the end, it helps the business as well.
The magic moment for me was seeing how realistic the final product was and how quick it did it. The first video that I created was an English video, knowing that the person doesn't know a word of Spanish, seeing that the final result was hearing him speaking in Spanish and almost in a native fashion. It was very surprising, and I think it just gave you the sense of like, oh my God, I just made this. It's just an amazing feeling.
For anyone who's getting started with HeyGen, I'd recommend them to experiment. How would you feel if you were able to modify an existing video without having to reshoot it?